Are you seeing a lot of work in the data quality in the foundational space or not really?
Yeah. No, indeed. In the last 5, 6 years, I've also been doing a lot of presentations about data quality and user adoption. And 5, 6 years ago or before that, I would have pretty much, wouldn't say empty rooms, but they always put me one of the last sessions and it is a boring session. Yes, we all know it's needed, but man, no one's really interested. Now, full rooms because we all know that bad data quality in is bad data quality out. So yeah, it's definitely a hot topic. And the good thing is there are quite a few AI tools out there to help you with the data quality. And the same, tying into the previous question, same for user adoption. There's so many tools that can help you with the user adoption. And of course, I think one of the more important parts is the data quality because AI and user adoption don't happen if you have bad data quality. But now it's good. The awareness definitely seems to be there a lot more within companies.
Yeah, I'm seeing that too. We've implemented GPTfy at a lot of customers, some of them with global presence. So very diverse cultures and different level of familiarity with newer technologies. And I think user adoption and data quality keep on coming up. And what I'm seeing and what we've built in GPT-5 particularly is really the ability to make data collection easier. An example of
Mm.
that is you could literally click a button and record a voice message inside Salesforce natively, and we would log a sales activity out of it. Because at that fundamental level, if we are not able to make it easy to collect data, we have a problem in terms of then enriching it and bringing it back into Salesforce. Because if it's not there, then AI doesn't have enough gas in the tank to actually be meaningful to end users.